Good news, everybody. Today we are going to show the Subaru some love. So right behind me, we have my 2003 WRX motor. It's going to go inside my 2000 RS, and I'm going to today work on a few things, mainly taking off some stuff. So goals for today are to remove this AC pump, remove the alternator, remove this pump down here, and if we have time, to remove the air intake manifold right here that goes to the top mount intercooler. I already have the top mount intercooler removed, so we're just going to remove this today so we can do some further stuff. Alright, let's get started. To remove the alternator, we got to remove this guy right here and this guy right here. So these are two 12mm bolts. What we're going to do is we're just going to pull it out, and then this guy's going to slide right off. So let's go ahead and do that. Just like that. Now with the little negotiation, it's supposed to just slide off just like that. But what I had to do is actually, since it's been seized up a little bit, I had to just knock off a little bit stuff. So I just took not that hammer, I had another hammer to just loosen it up to take it off. And that's it. We have our alternator out. Let's go ahead and remove the AC pump. Now, additional things to remove the AC is actually to remove, so you remove the alternator first, then you take off this bolt, and then you have a bolt down there. I already took it off so I can get this guy off. So let's go ahead and just finish it up. So for this one, I just used a little impact drill, and I removed it just like that. So now all three bolts are off, and we're just going to go ahead and lift. Just like that. AC pump is off. So now we're going to place it right next to our alternator. Last but not least, we have the oil pump. The oil pump is held in by these two screws on the bottom and one screw on the top right there. You see that? So I already took it off. I was able to take it off, and this is it. Now that we got the oil pump, alternator, and AC pump removed, what I like to do to keep everything organized is I like to take the hardware that comes with each component and put it in a bag. I got the oil pump here, alternator there, and I got the AC pump here. Now I put these away with each other so that when it comes back to putting everything together, I know what to do. And there you have it. These are the first couple steps we're taking to get on our way to rebuild this motor and to swap the 2.5 RS. A couple things that I need to do right now is actually remove this exhaust manifold and take a look underneath, because I did see some oil leaking over there, so I have some on the floor, which is okay. Some of that is actually my fault. Before we take this guy off, I do have to tag all these things just because I want to have fun with this project. I want to go step by step and make sure that I do everything right. What I did find right here is that the intake manifold has a little chip right there, so I don't know. I don't know if this is still serviceable or if I should just get a whole new one. So if anybody knows 03 Subaru WRX intake manifold, let me know. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. Stay tuned for more content. I have a lot of stuff planned for this engine build. If you want to see more Subi stuff, go ahead and comment below. If you want to see any more 240 SX stuff, go ahead and comment below. I will read all the comments and I'll do my best to reply. If you like what you see, also like and subscribe, because that actually helps me out as a growing channel. Thank you very much, and be smooth.